Right. Good evening, everyone. Online students, can you hear me? Is my voice and video clear? Audio, video, both are clear? Yesterday, we have started our course Full Stack Java Development and Core Java with a syllabus and a roadmap. Syllabus and learning roadmap. Okay. I also shared yesterday class recorded video for your reference. People who missed yesterday class, today after class completed, you can refer this video. End of the class, I will revise all the topics what I have explained. Okay, so let's start today next class. Okay, a quick revision. Full stack Java development is not a one course. It is a collection of multiple courses. In that, we have 5 modules available. First module is Java module. Second module is database module. Third module is UI module. Fourth module is DevSecOps module. Fifth module is AWS Basics module. By using these 5 modules, we can develop one project. Every project is divided into 3 parts. What the 3 parts? UI, programming, and then what? Database. Front end, back end. Front end, back end. Okay. Now, this is UI, and this is what? Programming, and this is database. So, UI is providing screens for the end user to enter the input. The input entering screen is called what? Form. Then the enter data is given to the program. Program read the data, validate the data against the data stored in the database. If the data is valid, then it will perform calculations and generates result or generates what? Error. It will generate either result or generate error. The both result and error will be written to the user. If given values are correct, result is generated and given. If given values are wrong, and errors will be generated. So this result and error displaying page is called report. What is called? Report. So database is meant for storing data. Database is meant for storing data. Programming is meant for performing validations, calculations, and generating result or errors. And front-end screen UI is meant for taking inputs from the user and displaying output to the user. So this is the project. This project for a developing purpose, you need full stack Java development. Then where these courses are available, this UI part is developed by using HTML, JavaScript, CSS. UI is nothing but the course HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, and then what? React. And then Bootstrap and React. All these courses are meant for developing front end. Database is nothing but Oracle course. Okay. Oracle course is nothing but meant for developing database. Java course. Java means it's not just Java. It has 4 parts. Number 1, core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices. Okay. Core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices. All these 4 courses comes under Java module. Oracle comes under database. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and React comes under UI. So if you want to develop front-end screen, I have to use HTML. For a developing programming part, I have to use core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices. For a developing backend database and storing data, I have to use Oracle database, SQL, PLSQL. These are the points we discussed yesterday. By using these first 3 courses, we will develop one complete project. But what is the problem with this project? After project development, lot of changes I have to do. For those changes for performing purpose, I have to use DevOps tools. Okay, next. In order to develop this project and run the project, do the changes of the project, I need a server. That server is what? AWS. So these are the points we have discussed in last class. And next, we have learned what is the roadmap for learning full stack Java development. You should not learn entire full stack Java one after one course. If you learn one after one, it takes 2 years to complete the course. If you are a college going student, BTech second year, BTech third year, then no problem. You can join full stack Java development course one after one. Okay. But if you are college completed student waiting for the job, you are ready for the job, preparing for the job, then you have to learn full stack Java development in parallel. What is the meaning of parallel? Per day, you have to do 2 or 3 courses. What are the 3 or courses? No prerequisite courses. No prerequisite courses you have to choose. The no prerequisite course is Core Java plus no prerequisite course is a database plus no prerequisite course is what? HTML. Then after completing these 3 courses, then you have to go for level 2 course, Advanced Java. You cannot learn Core Java, Advanced Java both at a time. Many students are asking, sir, can I learn Core Java, Advanced Java at a time? No, because Core Java, core, Advanced Java, advanced. Tell me, first floor, ground floor, both you can construct at a time? Can I construct the pillars and walls at a time? Pillars, walls, can I construct at a time? Yes, sir. These 2 pillars are completed, then I can construct the wall, not a problem. Another pillar, that time it will be there. That means what? Independent, no dependency is there, then I can do construction. Tell me now, pillars, roof, can I construct at a time? No. First pillars and then what? Roof I have to construct. So core, ground floor, advanced, first floor, Spring Boot, third floor. Students are asking me, can I learn Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot all at a time? Learn all at a time, you will be under the building. In the ground floor, you will be fully packed up. You have to learn one after one. Java module, you have to learn one after one. First Core Java, after Core Java, Advanced Java, after Advanced Java, Spring Boot microservices. Sir, for learning Advanced Java, why do I need database HTML? Advanced Java course is meant for connecting these 3 courses. Core Java to database, HTML to Core Java. For connecting front end to program to database. Yesterday written arrow marks, na? That arrow marks to connect, what is required? Advanced Java. So tell me, can I learn Advanced Java directly without Core Java database HTML knowledge? No. Compulsory, I require Advanced Java. To work with Advanced Java, I need DevOps tools, and after developing project and DevOps tools, to run this project, I need what? AWS. So after completing Core Java, database and HTML, you have to go for level 2 course. After Advanced Java completed, then you have to come to what? Spring Boot and microservices. So after Advanced Java completed, Spring Boot microservices. This is the roadmap for you to complete the course. No, sir, I am college going student. 6 to 8 only, these 2 hours I have free time. Extra time I cannot spend. In that case, you have to first join Core Java. After Core Java completed, 6 to 8, database. After database completed 6 to 8, HTML. After HTML completed 6 to 8, Advanced Java, DevOps, AWS, Spring Boot microservices, like that you have to continue. Sir, 6 to 8 batches are not starting, then morning time you look for. Okay, na? 6 to 8, 99% may be started. If faculties are busy with another slots, they cannot start at 6 o'clock. Morning slots you can choose 7 to 8 before college going. Or whatever the free time you have, you can choose. So now 6 to 8 only possible, then I can continue 6 to 8 batches. So this is a roadmap we have learned. All these points I have clearly documented, mentioned in this file. In this file and in this video. Refer this video and follow this file. Tell me now, what is the duration of full stack Java development? Approach one, sequential duration. Approach one, sequential. It will take 1 year plus. I don't know how much extra time it will take. 1+ years it will take. 1+ years. Maybe 1.5 year, maybe 2 years based on how you are attending the courses. Duration, approach number two, parallel. Parallel, if you follow, you can complete in 6+ months. 6 months means extra. 7 months or 8 months may also take. Okay, next. What is the fee? 20,000 star. Check with admin. Okay, na? 20,000 as of now. For entire full stack Java development, 5 modules. Very important, with 1 year validity. Okay, with 1 year validity. Within 1 year, you have to complete full stack Java. If you are not completed within 1 year, check with admin. What they will do, I don't. 1 year validity is there. You have to finish within 1 year. So if you are unable to complete within 1 year, what you have to do next? Please check with admin. Next, full stack Java development has multiple courses. Okay, multiple courses. Presently, which course started? Core Java. Timing is what? 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, now what is the fee of Core Java? 3,500 without recordings. Babu, last batch one student asked, sir, 3,500 per month. Hey, no, complete 3 months. For complete Core Java completed 3,500. Next, what is the fee for with recordings? 6,000. 6,000 with recordings. That means everyday class recording will be provided. Okay. Next, what is the duration of Core Java? 3 months. Sir, if within the 3 months course not completed, okay, I will skip the content, close the batch. Okay, na? Okay, na? In 3 months, say suppose because you are learning slow, our target is completing course learning. You may be taking little late for understanding. Maybe today topic may extend it to tomorrow. Tomorrow topic may be extended to next day. My target is injecting the subject to your mind until I feel you understood completely, reproducing, developing the next examples. I cannot go to the next examples. In that process, it may delay the course. Then, should I stop exactly on end of the 3rd month or can I extend the course? Choice is yours. Close and we will close. No, sir, extend the course till full syllabus completed means I am ready to spend, not taking any extra fees from you. The same 3,500 only. That's up to you. After 3 months completed, we will decide. Okay, na? Minimum time will be 3 months. Based on your receiving capacity, it may require extra time to spend, ready to spend. Notes will be shared via Google Classroom, GCR. Google Classroom. Google Classroom is an app. This is the Google Classroom. You have to join to the Google Classroom. For that, there is a code. So this is Core Java related story. This is Full Stack Java related story. Right. In Full Stack Java, other courses, Oracle when started, other course when HTML started, check with admin or you can refer nareshid.com website. This course is both offline and online. Which mode you are comfortable, you can follow. Okay, this course is both offline and online. Gopi Krishna. Which mode is possible, you can come. Come to Hyderabad, Amirpet. Okay, na? Check Naresh IT in the Google Maps. Naresh IT Amirpet branch. You can come here and you can join. As of now, I'll teach only Core Java, Advanced Java and Spring Boot. By that time, if I am free, And if management assign batch to me, I will take. Otherwise, as of now, I am here to take only core Java classes. Okay. Yesterday missed students, I given revision of yesterday class and full details follow this video. Now let's start today class. Please open notes. Write down chapter number 1, Introduction to Java. Harish Sharma, can you please watch yesterday video? You will get answer to your question. Okay. After class completed, please watch yesterday video. Let's focus on today class. Yesterday I discussed that point. What is the meaning of introduction to Java? ఏ నేర్చుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నారు జావాలో మీరు చెప్పండి. What are all the topics or what are the points you want to learn? Introduction to Java means, okay, open చేస్తే సినిమాలో డైరెక్ట్ చేస్తాడు కదా ఓపెన్ చేస్తే, right? Like now we are opening the curtains to the Java language to learn. What are the points you are expecting me to teach here? You should have some idea in your brain. Blindly jumping into the water is not good enough. How much depth is there? Down soil is, what type of soil, and the water is what type of water. This idea you must have first. Once you have an idea, then how many members will be there in the batch? How many members you want? Chandrakant, how many members will impact your learning? Why are you asking that question? How this question will be, impacted your learning or benefiting to your learning? Chep. You want to eat food, how many people you want side? You want to, go outside, how many people you need? You want to sleep, how many people you need side to you? Stupid question, okay? How many members will be there in the batch? 100 mandi unnaru, 200 members, 300 members, 1000 members. Nothing worry. You need one chair, you need Harikrishna to see and listen. That's all. Khatam. When you go to job, there are so many people are there in the competition. By seeing them, will you run away? Okay. You need one job, you need one opportunity. Khatam. Grab it. Don't worry about other things. Rishikant, please watch yesterday video. You will get answer to your question. Okay, na? All details I have discussed yesterday. Let us focus on today class. Everyone, please focus. Introduction to Java. What are you expecting me to teach in this under this heading? Prepare some points. Telugu, Hindi, English, any language, okay. Don't go for Marathi, Odia, Tamil, okay. I know I can understand in 3 languages. Telugu, Hindi, English, any language, okay. Speak. History of Java, okay, super. Syntax of Java, okay. What is the meaning of syntax? Syntax of Java, you said. What is the meaning of syntax? Okay. Java, structure of the program. Structure of the program, syntax of the program, both are different. Structure of the body, syntax of the body. Structure of the body, head, body, legs. This is structure of the body. Syntax, which part should be available at what place? That is syntax. Arrangement is syntax. Okay, na? And preparing the boxes is called what? Structure. In that boxes, placing the proper things in a proper way is what? Syntax. Okay, for example, object, subject, verb, object is what? Syntax or structure? Structure. Syntax is what? Grammar. Okay, grammar means what? Past tense, was, present tense, is, future tense, will. That is syntax. Okay, clear? Structure and syntax both are not same. Structure means body of the program. Syntax means arranging the programming properly inside. Okay, done. Tell me. Okay, I come to know 3 words. Number 1, history of Java. Number 2, program structure, program syntax. Super. What else you want to learn under introduction to Java? Set of rules, nothing but syntax. Okay. arithmetic operations. Wow. Okay, you went to the logical programming. That is arithmetic operations is comes under heading logical program. Under Java, under introduction to Java, what you are going to learn? Next, history, syntax, structure. Okay, what type of applications we can develop by using Java? Okay, next. Okay, which IDE you are using for a developing program? IDE. Okay, next. You are all telling about different parts in your body, but not heart to brain. Okay, Java program, heart to brain, except heart to brain, remaining all parts of the body you are talking. IDE, okay, IDE is the heart. My brain. If brain not working, heart no use. Dead. What is the brain? What is the brain of Java? Java software. If you wanted to develop Java programs, syntax and structure verify, I need Java software na. To run the programs, I need Java software na. So tell me, what are the points you have to learn under introduction to Java? Okay, basics of Java. Okay, Anjaneyulu. Basics of Java, introduction to Java, both are same. What you are learning here? Number one, what is Java? Correct? Any topic you want to learn, first what question you should ask? What is fan? What is light? What is fan? What is light? Electronic device. Why fan? For air purpose. Why light? For light purpose. Right? Tell me, what is Java? Why Java? And then how Java? And then when Java? And then which Java? And then where Java? Simple. WH questions if you answer, that is called introduction. Introduction, nothing but WH questions. All WH questions around this word Java, if you answer, this chapter is completed. Everyone understand? So tell me, first point, I want you learn what is Java. Second one is what? Why Java? Why Java before? Okay, why Java before? I want to understand who Java. Who Java ante? Who invented Java? Who invented Java? Third one, why invented Java? Why Java? Rahman. Anybody here, Rahman? Your father came for keys. Okay. First, these 3 points. What is Java? Who invented Java? Why Java invented? Then next, how can we get Java into our system? How to get Java into our system? Okay, these are the 4 points. Nothing but how to get the Java into our system is nothing but downloading and installing Java software. What is Java software? JDK. Okay, Java software is nothing but JDK. All are ready for today topic? These are the topics we are learning in today class. Of course, there are some subtopics also coming around these points. Those subtopics also we will learn. So let's start with first point. What is Java? Tell me, what is Java? Can you change the place? Bhaiya, can you please change the place? Come. Now, tell me, what is Java? Java is a excellent. Java is a programming language. Tell me, is Java the first programming language? No. Is Java the first popular programming language? No. The first language is what? We don't care. The first popular programming language is C. Next to C, C++. After C++, Java. Not right. After Java, after Java, .NET. After .NET, after .NET, PHP. Python is recently popular programming language. Last 2-3 years popular programming language is Python. Okay, not 2-3 years, from 2018 onwards, because of Corona it become more popular. Okay, right. How Python become popular because of Corona, I will tell the history in the coming classes. So the first popular programming language is C. When C is already available as a programming language, why Java invented? When C already available in market, why Java is invented? What is the need of Java? More security. And Java, C doesn't have security. If C doesn't have security, how Unix, Linux operating systems are secured programming languages? Linux operating system developed by using C. The most secured operating system is what? Linux. And even Windows also some part is developed by using C. So security is not a main concern. Next. Features. What are the features? What features C failed where Java is developed? Web applications. Okay. Next. Java is more faster than C now. Oh my God, never say that. C is more faster than Java. Java is slow. Next. Anybody? C is not a object-oriented programming language. Okay, secured web application, all are secondary features. The primary feature is what? Object-oriented programming. Now tell me, C. Yashwant Reddy, system design. What is system design? Why you are bringing system design? What about system design means what I should answer to you? What answer expecting from you? Ask full question, okay? Repeat again. Java is a programming language. When C already there in the market, why Java invented? Okay? For achieving, for what? Object-oriented program. Object-oriented program. For object-oriented programming purpose, Java is invented. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Wrong. After C, we have C++. Na? C++ is invented for object-oriented program. C is already popular. C++ is what? More popular because of object-oriented program. So, when C is available as a programming language to write all programs, C++ is available to develop object-oriented programming style programs, then why Java? So, everybody feeling that Java is meant for object-oriented programming, not for object-oriented programming. Some other purpose is there. What is that another purpose? There is a common problem with C and C++. There is a common problem with C and C++. To solve the common problem of C and C++, Java is invented. What is that common problem of C and C++? Anybody can know? Anybody know? What is the common problem of C and C++? Platform dependent. C and C++ programs are platform dependent. Java is invented for achieving what? Platform independency. Tell me, what is Java? Java is a platform independent object-oriented programming language. So, what is Java? If somebody asks what is the answer, you must give. Java is a platform independent. Java is a platform independent object-oriented programming language. Platform independent object-oriented programming language. Okay. Who invented Java? The Java is invented by Java is a was a by Mr. James Gosling in the year. Anybody know year? When? In the year 1991. In the year 1991. Where? In Sun Microsystems. What is Sun Microsystems? Is it a company? Sun Microsystems, is it a company? Like Oracle, like Microsoft, is it a company? No, it is a university. Sunford University, Universal Network, something is there. Okay, Sun Microsystem is not a company. It is a one university. In that university, there is a research and development unit is there with the name JavaSoft. So that Sun Microsystem University, JavaSoft team, as part of that, James Gosling is a scientist. Okay, he developed the Java language. James Gosling and his team developed Java language in the year 1991. Why? For achieving platform independency. Okay, now, so now we need to discuss what is a platform, what is a platform dependent, what is platform independent. I will explain. Okay, now my question is, when C and C++ programming languages doesn't require platform independency, why Java required platform independency? Is a valid question or not? C and C++ doesn't require platform independency. Then why Java required platform independency? Okay, let me ask you a question. All people are learning Python. Why you are learning Java? It's your requirement. Okay, Java learning people mindset, Python people learning mindset is different. Java people learning people mindset is what? Application development. For one company, I want to develop an application to perform their operations. Then which language I have to learn? Java. Okay, my requirement is not application development. My requirement is data analyzation, backend data analyzation, application I want to develop. Means front-end application I don't want to develop. Backend, one program I want to develop, one software I want to develop that can be attached to a main application to analyze the data. For example, YouTube application you want to develop, you must use which language? Java. Now, in YouTube, there is a search box. You are typing search data, some videos you are searching for. For example, you are searching for what? Okay, Hare Krishna Java videos you are searching. Okay, then lot of videos you will get. Then you started watching those videos and all. Close today and slept. Next day morning you wake up and just to go through the YouTube, you open YouTube. On home page, all recommended videos are coming what? My videos. Yes or no? And other faculty Java related videos only you are going to get. And Java related videos. And first priority is my name Hare Krishna. You already search. My videos will come. Then how this YouTube application knows? Yesterday you searched Java. Today I have to produce Java videos. That is where backend data analyzation program will be there. That data analyzation program is developed by using Python language. This YouTube application is developed by using Java, and backend data analyzation program developed by using Python. Java program and Python program is connected middle by using one special program called REST API. What API? REST API. Java program connected to Python, Java program connected to .NET, Java program connected to any language application by using one middle connector program called what? REST API, microservices REST API. That also you are learning part of our full stack Java. So finally tell me now, there are two types of developers in the market. A vehicle required two tires, front two tires. First tire is what? Java. Second tire is what? Python. These two types are these two types are controlling backend two tires. So what the backend two tires? Application development data analyzation program. So front-end tier Java is developing what? Back-end tier application development. This front-end Python is developing back-end what? Data analyzation, data science, AI, ML application. Tell me now, can I separate all four types and can imagine the bus? No. A software industry is nothing but, a project is nothing but this bus. This bus is working on four wheels: Java, Python, and following by application, what you are seeing, front-end application and back-end data analyzation program. All four together is now one project. Are you catching my point? So tell me, what is your target? Java. If you have chosen Java, means your target is what? Application development. You chosen Python means what? Data analyzation is my target. Hello, tell me, application development is easier? Application development is easier? Data analyzation is easier? Which one is easy? Data analyzation is easier? Okay. For data analyzation, you have to apply a lot of algorithms, lot of models. To design and develop that models, you need lot of mathematical knowledge. Linear algebra, linear algebra maths is there. Linear algebra, statistics, deep knowledge you must have. And lot of analyzation skills you must have. Experience, lot of experience you must have on the business. Then only you can develop the data analyzation program. Now, application I want to develop. To develop application, yesterday what I have shown, one a dabba create, enter data, one a button create, submit the data, check the data is there in the database or not. If not there, store. If there, check. Tell me, for this, you need any huge mathematical knowledge required? No. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, if you know. Mathematic variable is there, A equal to B equal to A plus B, A minus B, if you know, that's all. You can develop applications. So tell me, for learning Java and application development, what are the prerequisites? LKG maths, if you know, sufficient. LKG letters, words, and maths, if you know, sufficient. If you want to go to Python data analyzation side, you must have up to BTech linear algebra statistics, up to that strong mathematical knowledge you must have. No, sir, I am not that much good. Silently come to Java and join. Okay, no, sir, I am Balai Babu, I can, any mathematical calculations I can do, then go to Python, don't come to Java. So decide your brain. Your brain is so talented brain, go to Python. And data science, AI, ML. No, sir, I don't want that much risk, sir. I want happy life, more salary life. Then come to here. Fast job I want, Java. Okay, experienced job, little late also, no problem, Python. So there is a lot of constraints are there. Finally, come back now. What is the very important point? Why Java? When C and C++ doesn't require, platform independency. Why Java required platform independency? Janaki Garu, inform to the backend team to disable question and answer section. Why are they enabling that part every time? I don't know. Many times I have informed them. Now I have to open two windows, question answer window and chat window. How can I control two places? How can I answer at two places? Why backend team not considering this? Janaki Garu, did you listen? Ask them to disable now. Online students, don't go to question and answer section, come to the chat. There is another option called chat window. If you ask the question in question and answer section, I cannot see your questions. I cannot answer. Okay, come back. So tell me, why Java? Java is meant for developing what type of applications? Platform independent applications. Now my question is, when C and C++ required platform independency. Jagdish, refer yesterday video. You will find answer to your question. Okay. I don't want again go back to the yesterday class. Look, this is my computer. Generally, this computer is called server computer. Online students, can you hear me? There's a power issue. Listen. Here, I am taking one computer. What is the point we are trying to understand? Why Java requires platform independency. Okay, I'll explain what is platform independency. First, I'm explaining why Java requires platform independency. This is a server computer. Inside server computer, I have placed my project. This is the project. A project contains how many parts? 3 parts. Number 1, UI. Number 2, programming. Number 3, database. Okay. And now this project is given access to the entire world via network. This computer is connected here. Then someone in the world open his computer, either a desktop or laptop. Open the browser. Okay, this computer is called client computer because you are a client to the project. And this computer is connected to the network. Now, from this browser, we will, via network, we will access this project. Then tell me, in this project, this UI program is downloaded to my computer browser and should execute in my browser. Na? Everyone understand? Scenario, requirement. Where the program is developed in the server computer. Where the program should execute in the client computer. Server computer operating system is Linux. Generally, server computer operating system is Linux. So this program is developed in which operating system? Linux operating system. Now it is downloaded and executing in which operating system? Generally, client computer operating system is what? Windows. Dekho, a Linux operating system is Telugu language person. Okay, this Hindi computer is what? Such a Windows computer is what? Hindi. Okay, Hindi language person. Now, Telugu language person program is downloaded and wanted to execute in Hindi language program. Hindi language person. Different languages can talk or cannot talk. The program developed in which operating system? Linux. Now the program is downloading and executing which operating system? Windows. One operating system program cannot execute in another operating system computer. Then this computer is called platform dependent. If a program cannot execute in another computer, then we call it as what? Platform dependent. So 3 words are there. Number 1, platform. What is the platform? Platform means operating system where program is executed. Platform means operating system. Platform dependent means what? A program cannot execute in another operating system. It is a dependent on operating system. You developed in Linux, it can execute only in Linux. You develop in Solaris, executed only Solaris. If you develop in Windows, executed only in Windows. Then what we call it as platform dependent. Platform independent. What the meaning of it? Can execute in another OS. You develop in Linux, it can execute in Windows or Mac OS or anywhere. So tell me, what is a platform OS? What is a platform dependent? Dependent on one OS, cannot execute in another OS. What is a platform independent? Not depend on OS, can execute in any other operating system. Now, this UI program downloaded and executed in another operating system computer and executed here, then what this program is called? Platform independent program. Everybody got clarity here? Now tell me now, in general, in the real world, the projects are developed and placed in the project, in the computer called what? Linux computers. Now we will access this project throughout the world from another computer. Generally, that computer is what? Windows or Mac OS. Then Linux computer program, if it cannot execute in Windows or Mac OS, do I have the clients across the world? No, no. Then my clients will be specific to Linux computer only, na? I need to force, hey, if you want to access my project, you have to buy Linux computer only, or I don't want your application. That's what happened Nokia. You know, when smart mobiles are introduced, Android is introduced. The first smart mobile developed by which company? Nokia company. Okay, then Google company has developed Android operating system based mobiles invention is started. Nokia company rejected Android. They have taken what? Windows. But all customers want what platform? Android based platform they like. Then Nokia doesn't include Android. They're forcing the clients to use Windows. Then clients stop buying Nokia company mobile. Then finally Nokia company shut down. If you want a good business of your products sales, you should develop the product according to your vision, according to client vision. So client want to access the application from any operating system computer. Then what type of program this program should be? Platform dependent or platform independent? Platform independent. Point is clearer? Now let us go to the history. When C and C++ languages were there, C and C++ language were there, applications are developing. Is this internet concept, computers concept, computers connecting throughout the world, is that facilities available? No. Network concept is not there. Connecting throughout the world, computers concept is not there. Downloading the programs concept is not there. You have a computer, develop the software, install that software in your computer, work in your computer only. That means what type of application? One computer applications are called standalone applications. What applications? Standalone application. You take the application software in one pen drive, connect to it, install it, access here only, execute here only. Then we call it as what? Standalone application. No. I will install my computer. I'll install one project in the World Wide Web on a computer and access that program throughout the world from your computers. Then what we call it as internet application. For example, operating system is a standalone application or internet application? Standalone. You install the Linux in one computer, you can access only in the same computer. If you want to access this Linux in another computer, you must install there also. Next, calculator is a standalone application or internet application? Standalone. You install in your computer, accessing in your computer. Antivirus is a standalone application or internet application? Standalone. You install antivirus in your computer and scan the virus in your computer only. Can I install antivirus software in your computer, scan the virus in my computer? Not possible. All are catching my point? LAN driver, video driver, audio driver softwares are standalone applications or internet application? Standalone. MS Office, standalone. All are catching my point? Amazon, standalone or internet? Where Amazon software installed? In your laptop or somewhere? Somewhere. And you are accessing from the browser in your laptop or not? Then what is it? Internet. A program or a project installed in one computer and accessible throughout the world without reinstalling. Then what we call it as what? Internet application. So tell me, for a developing standalone application, platform independency required or not required? Not required. For a developing standalone application, I develop program using Linux, install in the Linux computer. I develop program using Windows, install in the Windows computer only. Then standalone application to develop, platform independency required or not required? to develop internet application. Amazon developed and installed somewhere in the world in one computer, and throughout the world we are accessing that Amazon from different operating system computers. Then internet application required platform independency, na? All are catching the point to your burra? Only listening or visualizing? Visualizing, right? Tell me, YouTube is a standalone application or internet application? Where YouTube is installed? In your computer, server computer. What is the operating system of the server computer? Linux. Now, can you play YouTube videos from your laptop? What is your laptop operating system? Windows or Linux or Mac OS? Ubuntu. Ubuntu also computers are there. Then tell me, Linux computer YouTube software can be executed from all the different operating systems or not? That means YouTube is a platform dependent or platform independent? Platform independent. It is a standalone application or internet application? Internet application. All the people tell me, a internet application must require platform independency feature. Samajh mein aaya? Now tell me, Java target is developing standalone applications or internet application? Internet application. C++ programming language target is what? Standalone application. You go and ask Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie, why? Who is Dennis Ritchie? C inventor, C father. Okay. Why you develop C as a standalone application development? Why not internet? He will look at his face and ask. That time, internet not there, buddy. What I can do? Okay, so that time only standalone application development. These internet facilities are not there. So C language we invented with the features to develop standalone application. For developing standalone application, platform independency not required. Then days are going on happily. Suddenly, James Gosling got a project. James Gosling got a project that required internet connection, that required develop the program and access throughout the world. James Gosling and their team got a new project which is internet based project. Tell me, internet based project required platform independency, na? Can they use the C language? No. Can they use C++ language? No. Then James Gosling went to the CEO of the company and informed to CEO, sorry, this project cannot be developed because existing programming language C and C++ doesn't support internet application development because C and C++ are platform dependent. Then tell me, CEO is happier, sadder? Come on. You be in a CEO position and tell me, there is no language in the market. Then there is no language in the market to develop internet application. Then the company CEO, the company MD or CEO is happy or sadder? Sadder. Hey, what is a company? Company means doing business. What is the meaning of business? Buy and sell. Sell and buy. Invent the new things. Tell me now. To develop this project, there is no new language in the market. If you develop new language, you can sell the language and also this project or not? Is it a good opportunity to the company or not? CEO smiling at James Gosling. Really? There is no language to develop this project? Yes, sir. James Gosling with a sad face saying, yes, sir, there is no language, what to do? Then he said with a smile face, okay, do one thing. First, you go and develop that language, then develop the project. Understand what he said? First, you develop the new language and use that new language to develop this project. We will sell the both. Language also we will sell, project also we will sell. Then James Gosling happy or sadder? Sad. Why? Because first he has to develop new language. Then with a sad face, he come back to the team members and said, "Ore team members, now we have to develop one new language that support platform independency and support internet application." Then this team started working. After 4 years of hard work, finally they have developed new language that support platform independency, that support internet application development. Now, this new language they want to sell means they have to provide a name to this language. Na? What is the name of the language? Everyone, what is the name of the language? Not Java. Name of the language is what? Oak. Why the language name chosen as a oak? Anybody know the reason? What is a oak? Oak is a tree. One big tree. మన తెలుగులో మర్రి చెట్టు ఉండేది కదా, ఆ మర్రి చెట్టునే అక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఓక్ అని పిలుస్తారు. Okay, he is developing this particular language in Indonesia. Okay, in Indonesia he is developing his office next to window, James Gosling office next to window outside, that tree is available. Listen carefully, very important. James Gosling, when he is developing project, this language, whenever he is not getting an idea, he used to go to that window, look outside and talk to the tree. Are tree, okay, actually this is a problem I'm facing. I'm not getting idea how to design and develop this project. Can you give me idea? Then the oak tree is moving left side, right side and sending ideas. Okay, sir, what are you saying, sir? Nonsense. How tree can send the ideas, sir? Actually, tree not sending idea. Whenever you struck with some point, if you speak outside louder, then automatically your brain will start working focused. In my company also, whenever I'm not getting an idea, I used to go to my next friend. His name is Arun, my friend, best friend, Arun. I went to him and say, "Arey Arun, this is the problem, here, how to write the condition, I'm not getting an idea. This is the point 1, point 2, point 3. While I am talking with him, suddenly I got an idea and say, thank you, and come back and writing code. He used to get angry. First time he didn't understand, second time not understand. Third time he understood that I am using his time to analyze the subject. Then when I'm going, Ray, don't come. I know you are not taking my suggestions. Nora, let us together discuss. And in same way, this is the same point I'm telling you. Whenever you struck up with any point, not getting an idea, call to your best friend and discuss. You will get an idea. Some suggestions you will get, or your own ideas also you will get. So James Gosling also going to the tree and talking, and the tree is also indirectly involved in this project development. James Gosling started thinking, what is the best name to provide this language? Okay, this language is very strong. Security features are inbuilt to develop and going to become wider. It's occupying the entire IT industry in the future for the applications development, because it's a new features language now, and it is a dynamic, okay, giving the lot of shelter to the multiple developers' life. So this language is a strong, secure, and platform independent, spreading across the world. These features contain any object is there. Then James Gosling got oak language into his mind. Sorry, oak tree into his mind. Oak tree is a very big, number one, spread. Okay, and next, it is very strong. Tree is very strong. And number 3, it is a known in the entire country. It is a national tree of that country. Then James Gosling realized, and next, whenever you are taking the product name must be what? Small. Okay, small name should be one word. Then only it will have more sales in the market. For example, I want to sell my course. Then what is the name? Full stack Java development, full stack Java, shortcut FSJD, core Java shortcut. Okay, I want to name one company, Oracle, Microsoft, Tata Consultancy Services, shortcut TCS. So name is short, then the popularity will be more. Then he found finally oak is good. Then with the name oak, he went to the registration office. Then tell me, registration office owner, the particular official person checking with this name, is there any other product there in the market? Unfortunately, there is one product, already one company there in the market called Oak Technologies. What is the company name? Oak Technologies. Then Oak is already trademark of that particular company. We cannot use. Then they rejected to take this name. Again, they come back to office. James Gosling come back to office and started searching for the new name. Meanwhile, listen carefully. Meanwhile, and they're adding the new features to this language and becoming more popular, and they release into the market as a alpha version, beta version to check and getting more popularity in the market. Listen carefully. This particular language become what? More hot in the market. What? More hot in the market. That a particular discussion is also going in the market. Fast they have to release. Already oak name is rejected. They want to find the new name. Listen carefully. James Gosling and their team members went to the one conference room to decide the name of the language. James Gosling is writing some names, randomly picking the names A, B, C, D, writing. Suddenly, one developer, one team member coming late to the conference room to the meeting with a chai cup, coffee cup. Because already late, na? He took the coffee from the cafeteria and with the coffee cup he come, put in front of him on the table and listening to James Gosling. James Gosling is shouting, come on guys, give me a suggestion. Our language is very hard. Give me one good name. That name should be refer short name, strong, spread, known. These all characteristics should refer to that name. In front of him, what is there? Coffee. Coffee is hot now, Pogalu coming na. Smoke is coming. And what is the name James Gosling is referring? Shouting, hot, hot. Hot, hot match na. Then this team member casually said, James Gosling, why don't you take the name Java? What is Java? In India, we call that cup is what? Coffee cup. In Indonesia, they call that coffee cup is what? Java cup. Java. The coffee they call what? Java. James Gosling, why don't you take Java? Your language is hot. My Java is also hot. Hot matching. Take Java. Next, Java is a coffee beans. The Indonesia, that particular beans, coffee beans name is what? Java. Tell me, coffee beans that that plants are spread across multiple area, much area, na? And also coffee is strong, na? So that's why they taken the name Java. James Gosling just written on the board. Slowly people are also giving vote to Java. Then he went to the registration office and asked, Babu, is Java used by anybody? No. Then registered with the name Java. So tell me, Java language initially developed not for computer application to develop, it initially developed for electronic device application to develop, network electronic device applications to develop. Later, they have added new features to develop computer applications. James Gosling and his team developed Java language for creating or developing network consumer electronic device applications. Later, they have added new features to develop computer applications also. The initial name of Java is Oak. It is a tree name. Because they are unable to register the language with the name Oak, they have given a new name called what? Java. Tell me, what is the full abbreviation of Java? Is there any abbreviation to Java? No. Java is Java. Okay. Java refers to one hot coffee cup. Hot coffee cup. So there is no meaning to it. Then why Java taken? Two reasons are there. That time Java language is hot in the market and more coffee consumed to develop Java, because Java is a part of Java development team also. Work is a part of Java development team. That's why taken Java. I mean work. Later, coffee is more they consumed. Java coffee they more consumed, and moreover Java coffee is a hot match. That's why they taken what? Java as the name. So this is the history of the Java. Okay. Now tell me why Java is invented. Tell me now why Java is invented. Java is invented for developing internet application. For developing internet application, what is the main characteristics? Platform independency. So tell me why Java is invented? For achieving platform independency for developing internet applications. When you have already C and C++, why Java invented? C and C++ programming languages are platform dependent. Means the Java, that C and C++ program you develop in one operating system, they cannot execute in another operating system. Internet application developed in one computer must execute in another computer. Hence, Java required platform independency. Online students, everybody got clarity on my explanation. Now, finally tell me why Java is invented. Java is invented for achieving platform independency, for achieving platform independency, for developing, okay, let me write like this, for achieving platform independency, for developing internet applications. And tell me what type of internet applications? Are they mathematics based calculation internet applications? No. Amazon, YouTube, Flipkart, Paytm, PhonePe, railway system, all these are what applications? Business business based internet application, buying, selling, bank application, all these applications are called what? Business applications. So finally, three words completed. What is that? What is Java? Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. Who invented Java? Java was invented by Mr. James Gosling in the year 1991 in Sun Microsystem. Why Java invented? For achieving platform independency for developing business-based internet application, or you can write for developing, okay, business-based debate for developing internet application by achieving platform independency. What is the main target of Java? For achieving platform independence. All points are clear? Please write down these points quickly so that we go for the new points. Online students, please reply. Everybody got clarity on these points? I will share every point detailed notes in the Google Classroom. You are writing running notes, main points. Okay, na? Detailed notes, we will write separately. I mean, I will upload to the Google Classroom. From there, you can access. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, please. Yeah, please write. Enterprise application is one company operations performing application. If we develop a program for Tata Consultant, I mean Tata Motors, that is an enterprise application. Enterprise means company. One company operations, a big project you develop, then that is enterprise. Bank application, enterprise. Railway reservation system application, enterprise. If that enterprise application you access via internet, then it is called internet application. If that enterprise application you access only within one computer, then it is called standalone application. Will you please by heart these statements? Tomorrow, can you reply? I'll ask question, what is Java? Who invented Java? In which year invented? Why Java invented? All these statements I'll ask. Everyone should able to answer. Jaspal Singh, if you are interested to learn what I am teaching, please take admission and continue. Okay? Else, please leave the class. It's a theory, practical, I know. Okay? Viroj, what type of projects there in the company? Completed, guys, up here? Written, okay. Now, I want to ask a question. Tell me now. For Okay, Java is a programming language, right? Tell me. For developing programs by using Java, for developing programs by using Java language, what are the different softwares required? Tell me, what are the different softwares required to develop Java language? I mean, Java program. For developing programs by using Java language, what are the different softwares required? Observe now. Number one, for typing. For typing, first you have to type the programming system. Na? For typing, we need editor software. Java software doesn't provide editor. Number two, for, after you type the program, you must run the program. For running program, for typing program, we need editor software. For running program, you need two softwares required. Number one, JDK. Number two, command prompt. How many softwares required? Two softwares are required. Number one, JDK. Number two, command prompt software. So totally, how many softwares are required? We need three softwares. We need three softwares. Number one, editor software. Let me write shortcut. Number two, JDK software. Number three, command prompt software. In your colleges or in YouTube videos, people will not use these two softwares. Directly, they will use IDE, using VS Code or using Eclipse. Directly, they will develop the programs. If you develop the programs daily by using IDE software, you cannot pass interviews. Choice is yours. You want me to teach from zero to make you pass interview? You have to follow these three softwares. First, this week, we are going to work with JDK and command prompt. Next week onwards, we'll follow IDE software. Okay, na? Right. Then next, command prompt software. Why it required editor software? For developing a program. What is the meaning of developing a program? Developing means type and save. Developing means type and save. JDK software is meant for compiling, for obtaining compiler and JVM softwares. Listen carefully. If you want to run your program, after developing a program, you must compile that program and you must execute the program. For compiling, we required compiler software. For executing, we required what? JVM software. For example, I wanted to browse the internet. For that, I need one software called browser. Na? I wanted to open, let's say, video player, audio player, video or audio I want to open. For that, what is required? VLC media player is required. Na? Like that, if you wanted to run your Java program, I need two softwares. What the two softwares? Compiler and JVM. First, we will use compiler software and JVM software. After that, I will explain you what compiler is doing, what JVM is doing, what is compiler, what is JVM. I'll explain you later. So, JDK software is a Java software. JDK software also called what? Java software. So, JDK software is meant for obtaining compiler and JVM softwares. Next, what is the purpose of command prompt software? For running compiler and JVM softwares and for compiling and executing Java program. So totally, how many works you are doing in a Java program? You perform totally three operations. Okay, what are the next point? Okay, actually fourth point I'm writing. What are the different operations we do in Java learning? Okay, three operations. Number one, developing a program. Number 2, compiling a program. Number 3, executing the program. Okay, compiling a program, developing a program, compiling a program, executing a program. Then how can we develop program? By using editor software. Okay, we develop a program by using editor software. Okay, second, we compile a program by using compiler software. What is the meaning of compilation? I will explain you. Okay, don't worry. Just first you try to understand these words, accept this word. We execute a program by using what? JVM software. Okay, JVM software. And tell me, what is the editor softwares we have? What are the different editor softwares we have? We have 3 different editor softwares. What are the 3 different editor softwares? Number 1, basic editor. What is the basic editor? Notepad. Basic editor, Notepad. Second, what is the next editor? Advanced editor. Advanced editor. What is the advanced editor? Notepad plus plus, Notepad plus plus, TextPad, TextPad, and next edit plus, and next brackets. Edit plus and brackets, brackets. These are the advanced editors. Next, third one is what? IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. What are they? Anybody know? What are they? VS Code. Next one is what? Eclipse. Next one is what? Eclipse. Online editor is not editor, online compiler it is. Next, IntelliJ. IntelliJ. Next, these are the integrated environment. IDE softwares, integrated development environment. IDE shortcut, let me write. So totally we have, these are the 3 different editors. Okay. Fourth one, we also got AI editors. Also we got AI editors. There is something called what? Cursor. Okay. And some other editors are there. As of now, I remember only Cursor. Cursor is a AI editor. So we will list out some other. Okay. We will use AI editors also. Okay. AI editors. Okay. Next also let me write GitHub. We are going to use GitHub Copilot. Okay. Copilot spelling correct? Copilot. Copilot. Microsoft Copilot. Pilot. Okay. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is taken by GitHub, and GitHub Copilot we are going to use. We'll see Cursor also. If I use, I can use. So tell me next. Very, very important. What is the meaning of compilation? Okay. What is the meaning of development? Developing a program by using editor software. Okay. Now we have different editors. Observe. What is the meaning of development means? Development means. And tell me. Development means type and saving, typing and saving program. Typing and saving a program. And tell me, whenever you type a program, there is a chance we have some typing mistakes and grammar mistakes, na? So compiling means checking syntaxes and finding errors. Okay, you develop a program. Before running program, we need to check the syntaxes and finding the errors. Everyone tell me, I am saying something like this. I went to my house tomorrow. I have typed this statement. I went to my house tomorrow. Tell me, what I have done? This is called what? Development. Development is completed. Tell me now. After development, I have to compile. I given this statement to English master. You are English masters. Tell me, is it right or wrong? Why wrong? This is past tense. This is what? Future tense. How can I use a past tense with a future tense? Then your English master will mark this line saying wrong. What will be right here? I will go. Right? I will go. Now tick mark. Tell me now. This correction will be done by whom? Editor, compiler, JVM, compiler. So compiling means checking syntaxes and finding errors in the program. Finding errors in the program is called what? Compiling. The next, executing means what? Executing means running the program and generating, running program, comma, generating output, generating and printing out. Generating and printing output is called executing. So repeat once again. What are the different activities or operations? Different activities we will do. What are the different activities we will do in Java learning? Every day we will do 3 operations. Number 1, developing a program. Number 2, compiling a program. Number 3, executing a program. We will develop a program by using which software? Editor software. We will develop program by using what? We will compile the program by using compiler software. We will execute a program by using JVM software. Let me rewrite them. What is the meaning of developing? Okay, let me write here. Developing means, development means or developing means typing and saving a program. Second, compiling means checking syntaxes and finding errors in the program. Executing means running the program, generating and printing output. Generating output and printing that output. Running the program, generating output and printing output. Okay. Then next, how can we develop? We will develop a program by using editor software. We will compile. We will develop program by using compiler software. Sorry, editor software. We will compile a program by using compiler software. We will execute a program by using JVM software. Super. Next, what are the different editors we have? We have 3 different editor softwares available. Okay. 4 different editor softwares available. Basic editor, advanced editor, IDEs and AI editors. Okay. Next, how can we get compiler and JVM software? We will get, okay, by default, we have Notepad in our system. Remaining editors, softwares, we must install them from internet. Next, how can we get compiler and JVM software? We will get compiler and JVM softwares, compiler and JVM software by installing Java software called what? JDK. What is the software name? JDK. JDK full form is what? Java Development Kit. Okay, na? So please repeat once again. What are the different operations we can perform in a operation or in a program? What are the different activities we can perform? Everyone tell me. Number 1, development. Number 2, come on. Number 2, compilation. Number 3, execution. So repeat again. What are the different activities we perform? 3. Everyone, please. Number 1, development, compilation, execution. What is the meaning of development? Type and save. How can we do this type and save or development? By using editor. What are the different editors we have? Notepad, Edit Plus, VS Code, Eclipse, next, IntelliJ. All these are different editors we have. Notepad is the basic editor. Edit Plus is the advanced editor. VS Code, Eclipse, and IntelliJ are IDEs. And what are the AI tools or AI editors we have? Cursor, and then what? GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. We are going to use these one also in the coming class. As I promised you, I will teach AI tools for application development. We are also using them. You know, in a Notepad, Edit Plus, VS Code, Eclipse, and all, we have to type everything. By using Cursor and GitHub Copilot, we will not type. We will say, we will prompt, hey, develop program, it will develop. Next, tell me now. What is the meaning of compiling? Compiling means checking syntaxes and finding errors. Who will do this job? This job will be done by the special software called what? Compiler. The software that is meant for checking syntax mistakes is called what? Compiler. What is the meaning of execution? Running a program. Running a program, generating and printing output is called what? Execution. And tell me now, who will do this job? By what? JVM. JVM will do this job. JVM will do this job. Okay. How can I get these softwares into my computer? Okay, my computer is a new computer. Just I bought computer, install OS. Just by installing OS, did I get automatically all these softwares? No. For that, first I need to install editor. And tell me, all editors required? No. Notepad is by default available. Initially, we are going to use Notepad. Next, I should install what? JDK. JDK for what purpose? To obtain compiler and JVM software. Very, 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 very important. Just by using Notepad, just by using compiler and JVM, can I compile and execute my program? No. To compile the program, I must run compiler. To execute program, I must run what? JVM. Where I can compile and execute? Further, there is another software called what? Command prompt software. Command prompt software is meant for running compiler software and JVM software for compiling and executing our program. So finally, what is your job? What is your job? Your job is, number one, develop the program by using Notepad. Number two, compile and execute program by using whom? Come on. Command prompt software by using whom? Compiler and JVM. Come on. Last statement everyone should tell. And tell me, what is your job? Developing, compiling, executing. Come again. What is your job? Developing, compiling, executing. You will develop program by using which software? Notepad, editor software. By using editor software, you will develop the program. After development, if you want to see output, what you have to do? Compile and execute. You compile and execute directly by using JDK? No. By using command prompt software or by using compiler and JVM software in command prompt software. Let us rewrite like that. Develop by using editor software Notepad. Compile and execute by using compiler and JVM software in command prompt software. So directly you are using how many softwares? Two. Number one, Notepad for typing and saving. Number two, command prompt. In command prompt, you are using two softwares. What are the two softwares? Compiler and JVM. Everybody got clarity here? Right? Let us repeat once again. First step, open Notepad. Second step, type the program. Third step, save the program. Ready? I told you today we are going to develop first program. Ready? Tell me now. First, open Notepad. Open where? In your computer. Did you start your computer? Start. You have laptops. All people have laptop. Come on, open laptop. Open. Start laptop. Press the start button. Started. Then next step is what? Open Notepad. After open notepad, white screen is open. Then what are you doing? Type the Java program. Java program. Type. After typing, what to do? Save. After saving, what to do? I have to compile. Where you compile? Directly, can you go to compiler software to compile? No. What you have to do? Command prompt. What to do? Open command prompt. After open command prompt, then compile the program by using which software? Compile. Execute the Java program by using whom now? JVM. JVM. Understand? Repeat again. What are the steps to develop, compile, and execute Java program? 7 steps. How many steps are there? 7 steps. Step number 1. Open notepad. Come on. Step number 1. Second step, type Java program. Third step, save. First 3 steps, development is over. Next step, compile and execution. For compilation execution, open command prompt. 1 second. When you open command prompt, it is addressing to one folder. Where you save your program? In that folder? No. Your program available in your one folder, but command prompt is pointing to another folder. Then tell me, I have to change the folder path in command prompt now. Tell me, first step is what? Open notepad. Second step, type the program. Third step, save the program. Fourth step, open command prompt. Then can I directly go and compile? No, because my program is available another folder. What is the next step after opening command prompt? Change drive and directory. Tell me, in your Windows operating system, you have drive concept, na? Folders are not directly available. Change drive and then directory. And the next step is what? Compile the program by using compiler software. Execute the program by using JVM software. Hello, what is the name of compiler software? Java C. What is the name of the Java JVM software? Java. Repeat again. What is the compiler software name? Java C. What is the name of the compiler JVM software? Java. What is the browser name? Browser. You have browser software, na? Browser software name is a browser? No. What is the name of the browser software? Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Firefox, Brave. These are what? Name of the browser. Browser is a common name. Tell me, what are the different media player names? VLC, Microsoft MX Player. There are different names available, na? Similarly, what is the name of compiler? Compiler is the common name. C language also has a compiler. C++ also has a compiler. Python also has a compiler. .NET also has a compiler. Every programming language has a compiler. Language to language, compiler software name is change. What is the Java language compiler software name? Java C. JVM software name? Java. If you want to run compiler software, what is the name I have to type? Java C. If you want to execute JVM software, what is the name I have to type? Java. Everyone understand? Pakka? Lock karenge? Totally how many points we cover? 4. 4 points I am covering, and I allow you to write the notes. But the first 4 points, what is Java? Why Java? Who invented Java? Okay, 3 points. Next, also we discussed what is a platform, what is a platform dependent, what is a platform independent. When C and C++ doesn't require platform independency, why Java require platform independence? What is Java history? Okay, who developed, why develop? So these are the points, first 3 points. The next we discuss, I want to develop Java program. Okay, what are the different activities we perform as part of Java program? 3 activities: develop, compile, execute. What is the meaning of development? What is the meaning of compilation? What is the meaning of execution? Next, how can we develop? How can we compile? How can we execute? Next, what are the different editors available? What is the different compiler softwares available? What are the different JVM softwares available? Okay, these are the points we have to understand. Everybody got clarity here? Right. Please quickly write notes. Ask me now what you cannot understand. Sometime please ask. I will explain. Anandi, Adinad. Everything I am typing and explaining, na? Some points when you're not understanding, just accept and remember and continue. When topic is coming, you will understand. So these are the theory points. Okay, na? When I start practicals, you will get more clarity. First time programming languages learning, egg first, n first, and I cannot say. Something you have to start and move on. Gajanan, if you directly execute program, execution time, syntax checking takes more time. Na? For example, you run the program 10 times. 10 times syntax checking is the same. Na? Gajanan, are you there? Syntax checking activity should be one-time activity. That's why first you have to compile, and then after syntax checking, when there are no errors, then execute. Will be fast. For fast execution, first you have to compile. Adinad, please refer yesterday video. All details I have provided yesterday class. Video is provided already in Google Classroom. I will share the Google Classroom, give some time. Yeah, already admin has shared the video. Please follow that video. All details I have given. Ashwini, Aswati, please refer that video. Shushmita, there is a separate batch called HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React JS. You can directly join that course. If you are good at Java backend development, no need to join full stack Java. Sashmita. Completed these three? Rahul Power. You asked this question yesterday, I answered. Again, today you posting the same question. Class timing is 6 to 8 p.m. Okay. The class timing will be 6 to 8 p.m. If maybe extended, maybe max by 8:15. If topic is not completed, the day maybe extended more 15 minutes max, not more than that. Not every day also. It will not go up to 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Okay. If you know already Java, you are looking for DSA topics, this batch is not suitable. Om Shalki, already you know Java, you are a old student. Okay, join DSA special course. Certified course means course completion certification will be provided. In our class, we will use Notepad, Edit Plus, VS Code, Eclipse, IntelliJ. Cursor, I will check because I never use Cursor. GitHub Copilot, we will use. Cursor, I will check. Okay, actually, if you are developing pure AA program, then Cursor will be used. For Java projects development, we will use GitHub integrated with IDE softwares. VS Code, Eclipse, IntelliJ. By integrating with these three, we will use GitHub Copilot. Claude AI is not an editor. Editor means you cannot go and type the program there. Yeah, Claude AI is a API. You can integrate that API to your project. ChatGPT, understand that? ChatGPT, Gemini, okay. Gemini, all these are Microsoft Copilot, all these are what? Tools. I mean, they are the AI editors. Editors, no? AI, it's like a search engines. They are the platforms, search engines. In place of Google search engine, you can use them to get the knowledge. And they are providing API also for accessing that particular software from your software. Akshay, DSA will be covered up to the interview requirement. Okay, na? Finally, what are the different softwares required to develop? Java program. 3 softwares: editor, JDK, command prompt. You don't have any degree here. Without having any degree, how can you get job, man? You must have degree. BSc, BCA, MSc, MCA, some degree required. Course completion certificate will be provided for each course separately. Polytechnic diploma engineering student should do BTech. Polytechnic is a kind of intermediate, no? Adinad. So it's a with intermediate there is no jobs. You must have undergraduation or post graduation. Yeah, PG or UG. When the main course start, Lakshmi, what you are expecting main course means? ఈ ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి పిచ్చా అర్థం చేస్తావు. మీకేం కావాలో మీకు తెలుసా లేదా? లక్ష్మీ ప్రసన్న, మెయిన్ కోర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇది మెయిన్ కోర్స్ కాదా? పిచ్చి కోర్స్ ఇదేమన్నా? ఆఫ్టర్ ద పెయిడ్ టుడే యూ పే. Who told after paid main course will be there? Presently Tumri course is going on. Which questions అని అడుగుతారేంట్రా బాబు? Already I am saying what are the different activities we do at Java learning. What are the softwares required? ఏదో ఒకటి అడుగుదాని అడిగితే ఎట్లాగమ్మా బుజ్జి, కొంచెం బుర్ర పెట్టండి అడిగే ముందు. రైట్ డౌన్ 6th point. Take this heading. Tomorrow we will develop, we will install Java software. In our system, we have, by default, can you please write one statement? By default, in our system, in Windows system, Janaki ma'am, share the payment details. They will do payment. Some students are in very much hurry to do payment. Online students, please do payment. That is the payment details shared by the admin. Who want to payment, do payment today, so that you will feel that main course started. Okay. By default in Windows system, we have Windows system or Linux also. Let's see. By default in our system, number 1, default editor, Notepad is available, and number 2, command prompt or terminal is available. Okay. Now we must install what? JDK. For what? Obtaining what and what? Compiler and JVM software. Okay, please write this paragraph. Continuation to 6th point. Tomorrow we are learning these are the points. 6th point. 7th point is what? Already explained. Steps to develop, compile, and execute a Java program. This is 7th. And 8th, developing hello world program to print hi on console. Hi or hello world on console. And next, more practice programs. And next, escape sequence characters. And next, Java print statements. Okay, so this is ends our Java first chapter, Introduction to Java. Ashwit, will you work in a company free of cost without taking salary? Yesterday also you asked this question. If you join in company and work for company for free, this course will be free for you. Lakshmi Prasanna. This is the second day of this course. Okay. And main course only going on. Total number of days of this course is 90 days. In that, today, 2 days completed. Still we have 88 days remaining. Okay, now main course is already started. Yesterday, I explained about course syllabus and fee duration. Today, I started our core Java first course, first chapter, Introduction to Java. In that, I completed Java information. Tomorrow, we are learning writing program or developing program. Okay, now? Okay, guys. Today class, everyone understand? Comfortable? Pakka? Okay. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to download and install, develop the program. Don't miss tomorrow class. And new students whoever join, requesting all, please be available in this Google Classroom for accessing material. Online students, this is the link to access material. Here I will upload complete notes, running notes, and extra material for your reference in this Google Classroom. This is the code to join Google Classroom.